Well, we're talking about Tesla. Let's talk about McLaren, who actually wants to beat Tesla. That is a statement directly from them that they would like to beat them. So, how are they trying to do that? So, McLaren's applied, business section and took that to make hypercars and then leveraged them into other parts of the business, including, being involved in engineering from everything from bicycles to medical equipment. They're doing it all, and they want to keep taking that and put it towards electric vehicles, most notably electric inverters for electric vehicles. So McLaren isn't going to necessarily release a car to compete with Tesla. They want to be the people behind everyone else's cars. So McLaren is focusing on what they've called the third and fourth wave of electrification, which is efficiency is basically the third wave for them. So which automaker can go the farthest on the smallest battery and thus achieve the best profit margins. Because if the battery is really small, battery is the biggest cost of an electric vehicle. So if you can make that smaller and get farther, that's way better. So this is where McLaren's introducing their product, which is the IPG5 EV converter. The converter is basically responsible for taking energy from the battery and directing it towards the motors of an EV. They're doing it extremely efficiently and are hoping to get better at doing that. So the head of electrification, Lambert, explains that this is why so many people prefer the Porsche Taycan over the Tesla. The driving experience on that is better. Just say it. It drives better. Is the Tesla more fun? Maybe, but the Taycan feels better. So the company is, claimed it's the most power-dense inverter on the market, but thanks to its proprietary design, it's compatible with an 800-volt architecture capable of unparalleled performance and efficiency, as they would say. And then the fourth wave for them is basically vehicles that are beating Tesla in the market, which is where they're hoping to place themselves. They don't want to be the ones making the vehicles, but the ones supplying crucial parts that make the other vehicles better than a Tesla. And so we're just waiting to see that happen. That's kind of what's going on. Apparently, I like this. I like this a lot. I like seeing that a company like McLaren wants to take on a Tesla and try to beat them at something that Tesla is really good at. And that's the goal of Tesla as well. Elon said it before. They say it all the time. They just want to make the switch to sustainable, platforms as quick as possible. And McLaren is taking that challenge and wants to one-up them, basically, which should be awesome to see. Well, again, we'll see if it really happens. But let's give them props for at least wanting to try.